Okay. What are your full names again?
Dr. Nwamanya Emmanuel. I am
Doctor, how old are you?
I am 52 years old.
And what do you do for a living?
My lord, I'm a medical doctor and I work as a police surgeon. Currently, I hold the post of a Deputy Director, Police Health Services. I sit at
Currently holding the post of
Deputy Director, Police Health Services, my lord.
Where are you based?
I'm based at Zambia, the Directorate headquarters. It also hosts a police health center. I've been working.
Doctor, I would be asking you.
Yes, my lord.
it is based at Zambia at the Directorate headquarters. That's what you said?
Yes, my lord.
Ono bamuyita Dr. Nwamanya Emmanuel nga wa myaka 52 egy'obukulu, musawo era akola n'ekitongole kya police nga ye Deputy Director w'ebyobulamu mu police era atuula Nsambya ku kitebe ekikulu ekya police ate nga kwe kuli n'eddwaliro erya police.
Doctor, what are your qualifications?
My lord, I hold a Master's of Medicine in Psychiatry from Okello University. Obtained in the year 2011. I also hold a Bachelor of Medicine from Barara University.
Bachelor of
Medicine and Surgery, my lord. From Barara University, which I obtained in the year 2000.
Do you hold any other qualifications apart from those two?
My lord, I hold other qualifications in management and short courses in forensic medicine.
Sorry?
I hold a certificate in management and other short courses on forensic medicine.
Omusawo ono yasoma alina obuyigirize obwa masters ez'abasawo nga yakuguka mu by'obwongo nga yabisomera mu University ya Makerere n'amala nga 2011 era yasoma ne bachelors oba degree esooka mu busawo yakisomera ku University y'Embarara n'amala omwaka ogw'2000 n'agamba era yasoma alina obuyigirize obulala obukwata ku bukulembeze ne ku by'okunoonyereza nga weesigamye ku busawo.
So for how long have you been practicing medicine?
My lord, I've been practicing medicine for 25 years now.
Sorry, doctor, please speak through the microphone.
My lord, I've practiced for 25 years.
And as a psychiatric doctor at the facility, what are your duties?
My Lord, at the facility I work as a psychiatrist, but also I do general practice, which includes treating patients, I also examine and assess persons brought to me by police for different categories, which include the following:
Yes.
victims of crime, suspects of crime, or people who have been injured.
Okay.
agambye alina obukugu bwa myaka 25 ng'omusawo era ku mirimu gye agamba ajjanjaba obwongo nti ate n'abalwadde abalala nabo abajjanjaba ate amanyi n'okukebera abantu nga poliisi baleese asooke abakebere ng'abantu abatuusibwako obulabe, abantu abakoze emisango n'abantu ababeera nga bafuga.
Who was the requesting, what entity?
My Lord, it originated from a police station, Gaba police station.
Kyabaali bamusabye okwekebejja omusibe baali ba poliisi ey'eggaba.
Under what case reference?
CRB 026 2026.
Era nga ku poliisi y'eggaba omusango baali baguwadde enamba nga 026 kasale 226.
Doctor, do you still recognize the person that you examined?
Yes, my Lord.
Is he in this court?
My Lord, the person examined is the one across.
Agamba nti omuntu gwe yakebera ye omuntu ali mu maaso ge.
Please take court through your findings.
My Lord, I found him to be 39 years old, and he had injuries. He had abrasions.
Injuries?
He had abrasions on the forehead, the right side, which measured 1 centimeter by 0.5 centimeters. He had bruises above the right eye,
Bruises above. Yes.
of the size 1.5 centimeters by 1 centimeter. He had bruises On his abdomen, the left side, of the size 4 centimeters by 2 centimeters.
Doctor, could you please go back to the bruises on the abdomen?
Above the right eye, my lord.
Abdomen.
Abdomen.
Bruises on the abdomen.
Yes, on the left side, which measured 4 centimeters by 2 centimeters.
Yes.
More bruises on the abdomen on the right side, measuring 2 centimeters by 1 centimeter.
Measuring
2 centimeters.